Hello friends, Namaskar, Sat Sri Akal, Salam, this is Amit Kapoor. Today I am going to talk about weekly prediction week from 31st of August to 6th of September 2020. You know very well my all prediction are based on your ascendant sign, nothing to do with your moon sign. So let's start for the Aries ascendants. For Aries ascendants, this whole week bring lot of good news for you related to your profession. You will be sky high at your workplace, but your domestic atmosphere, homely atmosphere will be affected because the Venus transit in your fourth house in Cancer sign in the first week of September. This is not good transit for you. You need to be careful about health of your mother. You need to be careful about a relationship with your spouse and mother. Your health of your mother will be a matter of concern, but in the professionally term you will be top because this whole month Mars is in your first house, which will give you a lot of energy, lot of passion, and you will become very passionate about your work, about your profession, about your job. Your seniors will be satisfied. This whole week will be a very positive events will knock in your life, especially in the terms of profession. You may involve in any type of sudden gains which will make your which will make you happy because savings and cash flow will give you a lot of strength. There is a strong chances some unexpected money knock you, or there is a strong chances to start a new venture with someone. This whole week bring a lot of happiness and positivity for you, especially in the terms of workplace, in the terms of unexpected gains. But I'm telling you again, be careful about your mother health, be careful about relationship of your mother, relationship with your spouse. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants this whole week will bring a lot of happiness for you. There is a promotion in your transit position. If Mahadasha is promising in your birth chart, you will definitely get promoted. And those people who are unmarried, they may get a new companion. There is a strong chances you may get promoted and some unexpected money knock you from your workplace, and you may get new partner because Rahu Ketu is also change in after a few weeks, which will start affecting on the first week of September. So overall, this whole week will brings a lot of happiness and positivity for you, but you need to be careful about your health because some type of stomach related trouble or backbone related trouble will irritate you, but your confidence will be sky high, and your courage will be sky high. Due to your confidence and courage, you will be top at your workplace. Those native who are unemployed may get job in foreign land, and there is a strong chances to any new start in foreign country. There is a strong chances to any new business venture start in foreign country. So guys, do your best because this is a very productive week for you. Think positive and do your best. God will definitely help you and give you a lot of strength to face all type of obstacles and struggles, because second part of the week will be some type of hidden struggle or obstacles may irritate you related to your family life, related to your professional life. But overall, you will be in a comfort zone because your ascendant lord transit in your third house, which is a house of communications, which is a house of siblings. Don't stop communications with your business partners, business associates, or your family member. If you stop communications with everyone, then you will be in trouble. So communication is one of the best way to solve your all problem. So now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants this whole week will bring mixed results for you. Unexpected money will knock you, savings will rise, you will be satisfied from your job, seniors will be happy, but struggle are there. You will get success after great struggle, after great hard work. Overall, this week, especially Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, will be a very struggling days for you. You may get involved in any litigation. You may get involved in any type of mental stress, which will give you which will be affected on your self-respect. So you need to be careful while dealing with others. Don't sign any documents during this period. Don't give your check to anyone because this is not a productive time. Your promises is not going to fulfill during this week. So you need to be careful while dealing in new business. This is not a very promising period to start any new business. You need to be careful dealing with your parents, talking with your parents. If you are far away from your parents, keep in touch with your parents and try to be humble and be polite with them. Talk nicely with them. don't use any harsh word or wrong word in front of your seniors or your parents. So this is a time when you face some type of struggle in your relationships. So overall, you will get success after some struggle, after some hard work. Gemini Ascendants, for you, the mantra of Lord Ganesha, Om Gan Ganapataye Nama, is one of the game changer mantra for you. More you do it, more you achieve it. Now I am going to talk about Cancer Ascendants. For Cancer Ascendants, this whole week you will get mixed result in the terms of your mental stability. Sometime you are feeling very positive and sometime you are feeling very low because your mind is not stable. You get very much emotional, and these emotions will create some problem in your homely atmosphere. Health of your mother will be affected. Health of your family member, especially mother, will be affected. You need to concentrate on your mother health. You need to be with a good relationship with your mother. This whole week brings lot of challengings for you in the terms of personal life, in the terms of your mind and stability, because this whole week bring a lot of mixed fruit for you. But you will get good success in your workplace, and you will get promoted from your workplace, for your job. Those native who are unemployed may get new job, but this is not very productive week for you, Gemini ascendant. You need to be careful, especially Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday is not going very good days in the terms of your mind, in the terms of your strength. So be positive, chant Lord Shiva 108 name every day morning, and try to speak Shiv Chalisa every day morning. This will be act like a game changer and give you lot of positive strength to your mind. Overall, you financial you will be in a better position, but your mind is not stable. Now I'm going to talk about Leo Sanders. Leo Sanders, some unexpected money will knock you, but there is some problem related to your family member. Your relationship with you and your father will be affected, but overall, your all deals will be click. You will be top, you will be sky high. This is a period when cash flow will make you happy, your savings will rise, and you will get a lot of financial benefits during this week. From 31st of August to 6th of September, this whole week brings a lot of happiness and lot of game changing act in your life. You may get new opportunities from your friends or from your partners, and that opportunities will give you lot of happiness and lot of good and smart gains, which will be a very productive for you. Leo Sanders, you are facing very good period. If Mahadasha and Antardasha is supporting in your birth chart, believe me, you will be top and sky high during this week. You should touch feet of your father, especially. Don't arguments with your father. Try to be polite and humble with the relationship with your father, and follow the guidelines whatever your father suggests to you. It will be act like a game changer because sun is transit in your first house in on sign. This is very good time. If you take some blessings for your father's side, you will definitely sky high. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. Virgo Ascendants, for you this whole week will bring mixed fruit for you. One side is very positive in the terms of profession. You will be top, you will be get success, and there's a lot of good gains or lot of good opportunity will knock you in at your workplace. But in the terms of your health, there's some trouble related to right eye related problem, headache related problem, migraine related problem, or shoulder pain related problem will irritate you. So Virgo Sanders, you need to be careful and alert about your health because this is not a very positive week, especially for your health. Overall, finance will be very good, job and professional life will be excellent. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants, some unexpected money will knock you. Those native who are unemployed, they may get job. This is a time when your all desires will be fulfilled, and when you will, if you are try to switch off your job, this is a very productive period start in your transit. If Mahadasha and Antardasha supporting you, then you will be in a very good zone in your life, which will be act like a game changer. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. Scorpio Ascendants, this whole week brings lot of good gains. If you are investing your money in stock market, your old investment will give you lot of smart gains, and some unexpected and hidden money will knock you. You may get inheritance money from your parents' side. This is a time when your all desires will be fulfilled and you will be in a good position compared to last few weeks. This is a time when your parents support you. This is a time when your elder siblings and your younger siblings will support you, because the dynamics is in very good position and Mars is in your sixth house. Your all debts will be clear. Your all debts will be old debts will be clear, your loans will be clear, and you may earn some unexpected money and your bank balance will be rise. This is a time when your desires will be fulfilled related to your profession, related to your workplace, and you may involve in some new venture which will act like a game changer for you. Now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius ascendants. Sagittarius ascendants, this whole week, if you are willing to change your job, then this is a very wonderful week. If you are interested to start new business with someone, then this is very wonderful week. Especially second part of the week will be a very positive and very promising for you. You need to be positive and do your best to find a good job. You will definitely get job, because this is a time when your all desires will fulfill. This is a time when those things will happen which you are not expected in the terms of job and business. This is a time when unexpected money will knock you, and your seniors will be satisfied from your performance in your old job. And if you are trying to find a new job, then also this is a very productive time for you. So guys, don't get confused, stay positive and stay happy, because some good news will knock you, especially in the terms of your job, profession, business. And those people who are doing business, especially in import export business, they may also get a new order from foreign land, or there is some short journey in foreign land is also seen in the transit, because Jupiter is in your first house. This is a very promising week for you in the terms of finance, in the terms of job, in the terms of family atmosphere. You will enjoy all type of benefits and comforts during this period. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn ascendants. Capricorn ascendants, Saturn is retrograde in your first house, which is not very good. Your ascendant's lord is in first house in retrograde motion, and aspecting is on your seventh house, which shows some struggle in your personal life. But Venus is very strong in your seventh house, because in Kalpurush Kundli, Venus is a lord of seventh house and transit in your seventh house in the month of September. Especially this week, your relationship with your spouse will be good, and you will enjoy some quality time with your spouse, and some, you can say, some pleasure you will enjoy with your spouse. And some old confusions will be solved, and you will be on another height of your relationship. A positive things will happen if you are try your best to solve your problems with your spouse, because Venus transit in seventh house will brings lot of happiness in the terms of life partner, in the terms of your husband or wife. Now I'm going to talk about your profession, Capricorn. In professional life, your daily income will be rise and you will be top. Some unexpected gains will make you happy. Your savings will rise and you may start a new business with someone. There's a strong chances if you are already involved in any type of business, in investment business or any stock market business, then this will brings lot of good profits and lot of good happiness through your workplace. You will be satisfied from your work performance. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius ascendants. For Aquarius ascendants, from 31st of August to 6th of September, this whole week will give lot of good gains from your old investments. And if you are willing to invest your new money in business, then this is a very positive week for you. You may get promoted, your health will be fine, your family atmosphere will be good, your kids and your spouse will be supporting you, your parents will supporting you. You will be in another height of your life, because this whole week brings a lot of happiness, lot of good opportunities for you, and that opportunities will came from the far away from your place. Aquarius, stay positive and think positive, do your best. This is a wonderful time to start a new business or new investment, and your old investment also give you very fruitful result during this week. Especially Tuesday, Wednesday and Friday will be ultimate weeks for you, ultimate days for you, sorry. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces ascendants. Pisces ascendants, if your Mahadasha and Antardasha is good in your birth chart, then this whole week brings lot of happiness, lot of mind security, lot of you can say lot of good tie-ups with your near and dear. and some new business opportunities will knock you. Your health will be fine. You will feel a lot of positive energy. Your aura will be very positive, and your surrounding is very positive. Your friends are helping you, and your fortune started smile for you. Your mud will turn in gold. This is one of the wonderful transit for you, because this whole week Jupiter will bless you. Being a lord of your first house, Jupiter blessings are there for you whole week. And in the end of September, when Ketu and Jupiter far away from each other, then your golden period will start. You are already in a very good you are already enjoy a very good phase of your life. But after September 2020, you will be sky high, you will be top. If you want to start any new business, this is the right week for you. Especially Wednesday and Friday will be ultimate days for you. If you want to invest your money with someone, with your near or dear, then this is the right time. You may invest your money. And if you invest your money in real estate, or if you want to buy any vehicle, then this is a very promising week for you. So guys, now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendant's career. In the terms of career, some new opportunities will knock you in this week, and you will be in another level of success. You will enjoy a lot of success and harmony at your workplace. Your associates, business associates, will help you a lot, and you will enjoy all type of comforts at workplace, as well as your home, as well as your homely atmosphere. So guys, keep watching Astrologer Amit Kapoor, and visit my website www.akastrologyzone.com. Must subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you. Namaskar. Sat Sri Akal. Jai Hind.